Y'all don't understand how badly I'm craving coffee right now, but I'm trying to lay off the sugar for health purposes. Cause damn. Alright, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I encourage you to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and please give this video a thumbs up so you can let other people know, damn, this video's kind of dope. Plus, the curls are back. I miss my curls. Anyways, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple loop so you can make your beat making process a lot simpler than what it already is. If it is, that's awesome. And if it isn't, let's go. Alright, so we are in Ableton, and we are rocking 87 BPM. 87 was a good year. It's actually the year my parents met, I believe. Alright, so I got my drum rack ready, and I picked some random instrument for our melody. So the first loop we're going to create is the melody, and then we're going to use that to build the rest of the beat. And the reason why the melody is so important, the reason why the loop is so important is because that seamless transition over and over again allows you to not have to like create a bajillion. Like, imagine if you were creating a beat and your beat is like 3 minutes long, and you'd have to sit there for 2 and 3 minutes just like, you know, creating a pattern, creating a drum pattern, you know, like working on the drums and like the melody and like playing and shit. It's like, no, you create a simple 4-bar loop, 8-bar loop out of one single bar loop, and then you can run the rest of the song like that. And then from that one loop, you just can create a whole song. So let's start off with the melody, and this is what the sound I have. Alright, so that's our 4 bars. Alright, so I fucked this one up, so let's fix that. Get my beautiful face out of there. Ah! Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna stretch this out to 8 bars, and then we're gonna loop it, see if it sounds right. Okay, so you see how that at the end there was a pause and then it starts back up again? So what we have to fix now is that last note that played, so then it just like replays itself and it actually sounds good. So where you at, homie? Let's extend this because I'm fucking blind. Ugh, I swear to God, getting old is so annoying. Like, your bones hurt, your back hurts. Yeah. Let's see if that worked. Okay, so there's still that little pause. Oh, I see what's going on. I didn't end the 5-bar. Yeah, I get it now. Bitch. Let's see if that fixes it. Yeah! Alright, so we got that. Beautiful. Alright, let's jump on some drums. I think one of the best parts of having a studio / office, aka the Thunderdome, inside your bedroom, aka being a bedroom producer, is that my bed is right here, and then I got the Super Nintendo Classic. Alright, there's our 4 bars. Now, we're going to try this for shits and giggles, but we are going to quantize this to see if it works. Let's drag these all the way down. Isn't it crazy how hi-hats, they're just like, I'm not super big on hi-hats. I don't know why. But hi-hats make such a big difference in a beat. Like, listen to that first bar. Okay, I just remembered that we're not making a beat video. We're helping you guys create a loop while I show you how with one beat. Instead, I'm over here just making a beat for shits and giggles. Let's loop the first 4 bars. Alright, so where's our kick? Let's get our kick in there. Alright, so there goes our drum loop, and then we have our melody. And like I said, we got this from creating from one single bar. And then like I said, if I want to just run it across the end of time, and it'll play forever, and it's gonna sound the same. It's gonna keep repeating itself, and it's seamless. And we did that with 1 bar. So you see how it makes the process a lot easier? Hey! I think this is like one of my favorite courses. I don't know if it's because I'm a fat ass, but like this course is always reminding me of like lasagna. Patience is the key when it comes to Mario. I always thought it was so funny that like Mario's saving the world and he has to save Princess Peach and whatever, and he's doing it all in work clothes. Like he was like he's a plumber. Look at him, he's wearing like brown shoes. Like, are you kidding me? Like I think about like, damn, if today was the day that I had to go save somebody's life, what shoes would I be wearing? And it probably would not be. Oh, that didn't do shit. Alright, bitch. Alright, I feel like every game is different for me. Like some days I'll be like, oh, I'm like, motherfucker. Some days I'll be like, these look like little ravioli crabs. I think I'm just hungry. I think it's safe to say I'm just hungry. Grow, grow, grow. When we were kids, we'd say like, grow, grow, grow. Or we'd say more, more, more. I think, I'm not gonna lie though, like I've heard people bash on this game's soundtrack, but I think this game's soundtrack, probably because it's my favorite game, there's just so many nostalgic ties to this game for me, that I just feel like everything about this game, motherfucker, But we did it though, So there you have it, finger guns. Very simple, hopefully efficient way to create loops that eventually turn into beats. I hope you appreciate this video. I hope you learned something from it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, give this video a little thumbs up, and all that other good stuff that I would say, blah, 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 blah. And like always, do not sleep on me, baby. Later.